Hey friends, what's up? Chris Hughes here, live from my house here in Costa Rica. And in this video I want to talk about the two types of people and person that you can become. And the reason I wanted to talk about this is because it's a very important topic when it comes to online marketing and succeeding with this type of business. So what are these two types of people? Well, the first one is the average person. Now, you know what average is. We already know what average is. Everyone understands what average is. The normal life, same thing every single day, not challenging yourself, not doing anything to better yourself. And then there's the exceptional. There's the person who goes way above and beyond anything that they ever thought was possible, start to create their dream life. They start to live their purpose. And the reason I wanted to talk about this is because guess who's in charge of making the decision between being average and exceptional? That's right, you are. No one else. I personally could tell you that you're going to be exceptional for the rest of your life or average for the rest of the life. And you know what? You could tell me to go screw myself. You could absolutely disagree with me, or you could completely agree with me. The choice really is in your mind. It's in your acceptance whether or not you are going to stay average or become exceptional or continue to become more exceptional. And the reason I wanted to shoot this is because it's something that will happen in your life. And the reason it's going to happen is because you have the choice. And you are responsible for what your life is all about, whether it is exceptional or average. And honestly, all I can personally do is to tell you that I've chosen to become exceptional. And the reason for that is because I understand that living an exceptional life is going to make me a lot more fulfilled than living an average life. I mean, I wouldn't be living here in Costa Rica, I wouldn't be planning on moving to the Cayman Islands, I wouldn't be planning on traveling around this world if I was an average person. And I'm not going to be average. I don't want to be average. Never. No, never, 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 never. And the reason for that is because average is boring. It's the typical thing that people expect you to do. And I, for one, don't like to do the things that people expect me to do. Like, if someone expects me to live in one place at this point in my life, like, that's hard for me. And I don't want to do that. I want to travel. I want to see the world. I want to see different countries, different, cultures, see how people live, and see how it differs from the way I was born and raised. And the choice truly is yours, whether or not you want to become, exceptional person or average. And just accept the fact that there's going to be a lot of people who aren't going to, they're not going to accept that you're becoming exceptional. They're going to try to drag you down. They're going to be like, no, don't do it. And the reason for this is because they want you to remain average because they are average. And you can choose to listen to them. I mean, a lot of people do. It's hard to, get that out of your mind and accept that sometimes your friends or family are going to try to hold you back. And what you need to remember is there's a reason that they're where they're at. And if that's not where you want to be, then you might need to move away from it a little bit. For example, maybe you want to live somewhere else. Maybe you want to experience something else. Maybe you want just a boatload of money for whatever reason, like whether to give back or just buy some crazy yacht and travel the world. It's really up to you. And the thing about this is you need to accept the fact that you have the power to, make the decision to become exceptional. And if you want to learn a little bit more about how I've chosen to become exceptional and the system I'm learning from and the people I'm surrounding myself with, I want you to click the link below this video to learn more.